I can't wait to open this up. I really believe in the project. I really believe that I'm going to do great work. And I think the way I've built GaryVee is nothing compared to the way I'm going to build these characters. And I think NFTs are even more built for me than social media, because I know that 30%, 20% of the audience will never consume me. But with my NFTs, 100% of the world is capable of consuming me, because I might use the flamingo on them, or I might use the cobra on them. I might use the dog or the cat, and I'm excited about that. If we launch properly tomorrow and the next day, I think I'm gonna start doing giveaways probably Monday is actually my real intuition, because there's gonna be a lot of things that I probably have to deal with that I can't think about at the weekend, the kids, so for everybody who's listening who feels like they don't have 3 ETH or they have less than 1 and they're worried that it won't get to the floor, I'm gonna come in hard, like I said, over 100 token giveaway if it doesn't hit the 0.5 floor. And as people are saying this, a lot of people have done homework. I put out an incredible thing. I'd be lying if I didn't say I can't wait. I'd be lying if I didn't say that I can't wait for that first refresh and look at like Lou and Maha and AJ and be like, did we just do 4,000 ETH? I'm definitely, I think the best way to be selfish is to be selfless. I think, I hate when people are like, this is just like, I'm a businessman. This is a business venture, but it's a real operation. I'm going to take that money and hire 40 people. I have 3 gigantic conferences to throw.